Article writing, why bother? There are thousands of articles to be read on the World Wide Web, and many more are being added every day. If you take the time to do more than skim them, you will find that many articles are about similar things. Why would you take the time out of your busy schedule to add one more? We all suffer from information overload, so why add to it? Why should I bother? Here are some good reasons to consider why it would be to your advantage to take up article writing. 1. Expert status. By writing articles in your niche area, you begin to establish your credibility as an expert in that field. When writing your article, it is important to include key words in the article that relate to your specific area. This will make it easier for the search engines to link your name to your area of expertise, and your reputation will grow into expert status too. Your articles are needed. Webmasters, ezine editors, and publishers are looking for fresh content to publish to their subscribers. It is to your advantage that they find you. Then your article will get reproduced all over the world, and that will increase your exposure and reputation. 3. To use your resource box. The resource box at the end of your article is your space to sell and promote you and your services, products, and expertise. To reprint your article, publishers have to include the resource box. Here is your opportunity for free advertising and unashamed self-promotion. 4. To gain traffic to your website. By including a live link back to your site in the resource box, you will increase your web traffic to your website. This is a good marketing strategy, as search engines look for links into your site, and it will improve your ranking and you will get even more traffic directed your way. 5. Content is king. Quality content is king on the internet. The more places your articles are found on the internet, the better it is for you. This is because when a search for your subject, name, or company is done, the more hits will be found by the search engines, and you will place closer to the front of the listings. Of course, there is a way for your article to come up as number 1, but that is a topic for another day. How do you get your article onto the internet and get noticed? There are several ways to do this. Here are 4 important ways. 1. Publish your article on your website. To get it noticed quickly, you can submit a sitemap to Google. It's a free service. 2. Register and submit your article to free article submission sites such as easyarticles.com, articlesbeyondbetter.com. There are lots out there, do a search for them. You can also sign up to several Yahoo groups that focus on article writing and submission. 3. Submit to a service that will submit to sites for you. Well-known submission services include Isnair, Article Marketer, Submit Your Article, and thephantomwriters.com. 4. Buy software that will not only submit articles for you, but help with the formatting and make them search engine friendly as well. If you intend to write articles frequently, this is a great time saver. I recommend Article Announcer. So, what next? Start writing and increase your expert status, web traffic, and promote your business product or service for free.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.